Good morning, everyone. Hope all can hear me. All right, looks like I'm connecting now. Good morning. Hope all is well. Here, I can move some things out of my way here. All right, so I do like the opportunity to fade the market down. Not really liking where price is at the moment, 215.74. So I'm really hoping, looking to see if price, bounce up a little bit into the 216s, preferably the 216, 10 or 216.20 area. So I do have 215 and 216 puts in my watch list with 216s in my active trader. I'm sorry, 215s in my active trader. And we in 3 minutes and 30 seconds, the cash is starting to fade faster than I would like. Not to say we won't have a quick pop higher at cash open, which I would love to see. Get that reaction first, right? We were starting to see buyers get absorbed at 9:05 and then again at 9:15. So this move hopefully is not a knife falling. Would love to see that reaction up first. Uh, yeah, I mean that's a nice place for price to fade down from, even though we are fading now. Started off as a really good opportunity. If we keep fading down, it's getting less and less, but I believe we're gonna pop higher. It looks like we are, potentially. Still got 2 minutes and 20 seconds to cash open anyway, so a lot can happen at that time. VIX is pretty high. We're still below the 20 mark, but 1942 is where it's at now. We are, just for measurement, we are three standard deviations to the upside, and this fading is happening way too soon. All right, so definitely 215s. This fading is happening too soon. See, that is the top of the I period of the 27th. Let's see what that looks like. I don't like how we're fading so fast with only a minute left. What's that, the I or G? G period. Or E period, actually. Okay. Yeah, so we're 215.70 maybe is where we're seeing a lot of absorption too. So we still got time. It's only 50 seconds until cash open. Would like to see a bounce higher and not a straight drop. All right. Prices are decent or will be decent. It's only $170 per contract. That should drop at cash. This straight drop is not the best with only 20 seconds until cash open. That opportunity getting slimmer and slimmer. All right. But hopefully at what 10 seconds of cash, hopefully we'll see some kind of pop first. All right, the market's opening now. 215 is in my, oh, that's a drop. Maybe. I don't like that drop. 215 is in my active trader, $100 per contract. All right, now if we pop higher, then that looks better, but I don't like the opportunity at the moment. And the spread is way too far apart. So that gives us a reason to pause. All right. Spread still too far. Spread is about 5 cent or $5 spread, which is, I mean, not the worst, but not the best either. All right, the spread is getting a little better. 215 is in my active. I like how we popped higher with no volume. I just would love for us to pop just a little bit higher though. All right, 92, $87 is pretty good. I just want us to pop higher, which we're doing now. And as we're popping higher, there's less and less interest. Keep going higher. That just makes me feel better. All right, if we're trying to go higher and higher, but no interest there, so just maybe we'll price stay. Let's give it time to work out. The more it pops higher, the better I feel about the fade. All right, yep, keep popping higher. That's what I like. As we go higher and higher, there's less and less volume. Okay, yep, keep popping. That's what I like. Keep going. I would feel really good if we hit that 215.89 and see a reaction down. Okay, yep, keep going. All right, it's looking better and better now as far as the opportunity. Price looks good. Good. Keep popping. There we go. All right, I'm feeling a little better about it. Now, if we get to that 215.89 and start reaction down, this is where I'm looking probably enter. Or even 216 flat would be really good as well, which we're getting there. I mean, price is not going to be perfect, but I do like it. And prices on 215 options are a lot cheaper now too. And it's showing less and less interest. With that 215.89 mark and just not going any higher. That is looking really good. I would love us to go maybe a little higher to the 216 area, maybe 216.20, but man, the price is not going to be perfect. We keep hitting that 215.89 and fade down. 215.89 again. All right, I'm gonna enter here 215 puts. Show what that was. 215 puts I got at $82 per contract. We keep hitting that 215.89 area with no interest there. Okay. So back to break even. So we keep hitting that area and we're starting to see a reaction down. Still at 82. So 15.89. Seeing orders get filled. All right, we're at the second 5 minutes. Okay, we starting to see something happen here. There's a lot of activity. Yeah, I think the sellers are coming in now. So a lot of activity at the 218, I'm sorry, 215.89 area. It's kind of taking a sweet time though. A lot of activity is happening right there. Wow, there we go. Yep, I think buyers are getting absorbed. That first 5 minutes was 1.2 million in volume, and you would think price will skyrocket from there. All right, I'm back to 82. See if we can get at least $10 here. All right, now the sellers are coming in. There we go. There they're coming in. Come on, keep pushing. Almost at that 92. All right, let's see. 215.50 is where we want to drop. All right, sellers, there we go. Come on, continue to push down. Was almost at that $10 mark. There's a lot of activity happening at the 215.77 area. All right. You need the this next 5 minutes to push. 215.80. So what's that? 215.50 is where we want to see price go further down. The sellers are there. There's a big volume at the 215.80 to 215.75. So there's a lot happening at that price point, even at pre-market. Just need that push. It looks like they're trying to push it down. Push it. There we go. Come on, sellers. Come on. Taking your time, but come on. All right, now they're pushing it. There we go. Almost at that 92. There we go. Keep pushing. Sellers are in there. All right, there we go. There we go. Now the sellers are there. Come on, update. All right. Almost at that 92. That's a big push down. All right, I got 92. Got my first $10. Moving my stop to lock in that. So from 80, I'm moving it up to 84 to lock in profit to see if we can get that 102 now. So is that 90? Was that 93 now? Is that 90? We got our first TP. Come on, so let's keep pushing. Look, if we can push down to 215.25 or 27, that'll be even better. But the sellers are there. You guys may have got your money already. Seeing hearing some I'm still in the play looking to get $20. My second part is still I haven't hit that yet, but looks like it may get hit. 84 would knock me out of my second half of it. We're at 88 right now. Okay, keep pushing. That look like we're pushing it again now. 215.27. We push below that. We should get that $20 mark. There is a big area of volume in that area too, so let's see if we push through that. The buyers are getting absorbed like crazy. Not as much as the first five, but the second 5 minutes for sure. All right. Here's the third 5 minutes. And we do have a report at 9:45. So it may be wise to just take everything now. Yeah, I'm gonna take everything now. I'm gonna flatten my position at night at let's see what I get out. 89. All right, so my second half, I just took 89. Maybe too soon, but because of that report, that's coming out at 9:45, which is 5 minutes from now. I'm just gonna take it all. So my entry 82, 92 was my first half, and then 89, I just took everything because of that report. Which is not a market mover, but it's something to pay attention to. And who knows, it may push through, it may have been too early, but because of that report, I'm just gonna side on the of caution. And since we made the first TP, I'm gonna go ahead and just take it all. All right, let me move the chat over here so I can see what's going on. Look like that may not been a bad idea too. All right, let's see. General chat, how you guys did? Sound is good. Okay. In at 84, out at 94. So you got your first half too. And it may have been early to call it, but just on the side of caution, I just took everything off. Yeah, and it looks like it's pushing down too. Could have probably got that $20. Your trail got hit 84 to 93. Awesome. 85 to 94, $500 profit. You're very welcome. Awesome. Yeah, it's looking more and more like taking it all here was probably the best decision because it's trying to push down, but again, we got a report in 4 minutes. So just on the side of caution, let's just take our profits and call it a day. And 84, 20, 94, and then you stop at 87. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think it's wise that we took it all now because we don't know what that report's going to say. It's not a market mover, but it's saying at the same time, it is labeled as something to pay attention to. Uh, got 10, thanks. Yep, 82 to 92. Oh, we got the same entry. Awesome. Look like most of you all would right around the same entry. That's good. $448.80. That's a great way to start the trading month and trading week. Uh, is that 610 total? Awesome. Your trail stop got hit. Your trail got hit 80 to 89. That's not bad. That's a good way to start the week. Okay, it looks like they're trying to continue to push. Up that they're pushing because the buyers are getting absorbed. We were a little early on that, but I'd rather uh on the side of caution than anything else. All right, 77 in. Wow. Okay. Way better price than I got. 98 out. That's fire. I'm gonna put a fire on that one. Better price than I got. Green for sure. Great job again. In at 77. Y'all got better prices than me. 77 out at 85, and then again out at 90. Real money 10 contracts, 82 in, 8 at 92. Okay, you're practicing taking profits good. And then the last two at 95. Yeah, the sellers are still pushing through, but we don't know what that report is going to say. So we could have made money, left some money on the table, but let's take the money we got and call it a day. 84 out, 94, and then 86. Cool. 80 out at 94. Awesome. 82 to out at 90, 89. Good. 8 in. So both of y'all. Okay. Cool. 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 Woohoo. 82, 93. Flatten at 89. Yeah. Simulator. Yeah, I had to flatten mine as well. I didn't like how we were, but it looks like we probably would have got the whole $20 per contract too. VIX is rising. Yep, it definitely is. 84, 95 out, and 88. Awesome. 82 in and 90. Yeah, cool. 94 out. Good stuff. Good stuff, everyone. Good stuff. Yeah, we definitely left some money on the table because the sellers are now pushing through. But let's take our money and be good with it. Yeah, now it's at a dollar and 24. Oh, good way to start the month for sure. Start the month and the week. 400. Awesome. That is an awesome way. Was that the total was 400 is what you made? Is that the max or the profit is 130? Trying to read the statement. Either way, that's a good way. Yeah, they're pushing through. Need to get better holding runners. Yeah, I actually don't hold a runner. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Let it pay you for as long as it want. I'm just a structured person. and I just take it. But yeah, like right this moment, yeah, it would continue to pay you. That is for sure. I lost you all. What did I do with it? There we go. 130 for the day. That's a great way to start the week. First trade, 85 in, 96 out, four contracts. Awesome. 400 was your max risk. Okay. So what's that, 20%? Close to 30%? Cool. You need 10% as a runner and trail stop. Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. If it on days like this for sure. There's absolutely nothing wrong with leaving, especially if the trade is going well into your favor. There's nothing wrong with it. Weekly value low around 213. Let me see. Weekly is 210. That's the extreme. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm sorry. 213. I got 212.80 for my weekly low, value low. But we're not too far off. Well, actually, we are about $1 off. But that's what I have for my weekly low of last week. Trading view is a bit off. But yeah, I have 212.80 is my weekly low. The extreme low is 220. I'm sorry, 210.96. POC I have is 215.18. The value high 217.27. And then the weekly extreme high 218.79 is what I was able to plot last weekend. All right. Looks like everyone did a great job. Congratulations, everyone. Awesome way to start the week. Awesome way to start the trading month. It's always good to start green. Kind of wishing I didn't flat, but I gotta err on the side of caution. Even though I had my stop protecting my $10, I didn't like the prospects of what the report was gonna say. All right, I'll stay on for a hot minute to answer any questions that you may have, and then we'll go ahead and head out of here. Awesome way to start the week. You are very welcome. $279 in futures. Awesome. Great way to start the week. That is a fire moment. Let me add to that. Repeat the weeklies. Yeah, yeah, for sure. So the extreme high of last week, I have 218. Actually, I'll do you one better. Let me do a screenshot. I'll do you one better. That way you have the actual screenshot of the numbers. All right, there you go. Actually, let me change that so everyone can see it. All right, there you go. That's a screenshot of my weekly. Uh, $705 profits. Great start for the week. Awesome. That's another fire moment for sure. No, you're very welcome. Green is green. 50, 25 is better than red. And the profits only get bigger with the confidence, and especially if you're looking at, trying to learn market profile and order flow. The confidence come the I mean the profits get bigger with the confidence. $111 profit. Awesome. You're very welcome. That's the weekly. So I put the way I do it is I have my weekly um numbers plotted on my daily profile, and then the daily plotted on my order flow, and then also have the monthly plotted on my weekly profile. It's just how my brain can keep up with the numbers. I'm sure you could probably find a better and a more efficient way to view the numbers, but I've tried everything else and it doesn't work for me. $200. Awesome. That's futures. Awesome. Awesome. Great work for sure. Yeah, yeah, I can give you the monthly. That's fine. It'll be the screenshot. Um, Let me make it so we can see everything. There we go. So just as for context, the monthlies stay on the chart for the entire month until the end of March, which is the numbers of February. Weekly, I change every week, and then obviously daily every day. So that's why I have three screens, three charts. Yeah, you may find a more efficient way of doing it, but that's how my brain works. All right. VIX is over 20. Yep. Yep. There's a lot of fear. I'm sure there was a lot of longs because it continued to see buyers get absorbed. So there was a lot of longs getting out of their trades fast. You're welcome. You're welcome. $817 profit. Great way to start. Yes, for sure. Awesome way to start it. Great way. I love how we ended the month and then we're starting a new month in profit. So that's always great. Good feeling to have. And plus it helps with the confidence too, right? So confidence in trading is part of that psychology. All right. Anything else, anyone, before I head out of here? And then I'll wrap up with a summary of what we did. 215s. Being patient as well is another um importance to what we did today as well, because the first 5 minutes I just didn't feel it, even though we were popping higher. It made me feel a little better about the opportunity. So I didn't like the way we opened, but yeah, it's all about your account size too, and your comfort zone on the money you're willing to risk. I mean, it that really determines is determined by your account size. Yep, way to go for sure. You took a big jump in contracts. I think you did a screenshot, right? Of how many contracts was it? 10? 20. Okay. As long as you're comfortable with it, I would say start slow. 10 to 20. That's it. That is a big jump. That's a huge jump. It takes me months to feel comfortable with adding. Well, as they say, give yourself a raise. I have to talk myself to it, to doing it. You're doing 10 for the week. You're gonna increase to 15 next week and then 20. Yeah, I mean, as long as you feel comfortable with it. I mean, I can't really tell you how to, invest, but I would just tell you from me, my point of view, it takes a while for me to add two. So 10 to 15 to 20 is, yeah, you better than me. Fear would not get into your decision making. Yeah, I mean, fear and nervousness and all of that stuff, greed, that's just the emotion of it. I try to check all that at the door. There's a video to show the go charting and balance chart. It's a video that we posted, and I believe Russell posted in the useful videos. I posted, I can't remember, on how to set up go charting. Let me go to it real quick, and I can tell you which video. Do There's an active trader one. Actually, it's the very first video that was posted January 30th on how to set up go charting to look. exactly like the one my charting. And then we have active trader and how to set up TOS that look like mine if you want to do it like mine. You may find, like I say, you may find a better way to do it. It's just the way I have my setup is just how it works for me. Yep, nervousness works out. And I mean, anything new is it's it's always new and there's a bit of nerves in that, hoping that it works out. But you know the saying, hoping and praying and wishing and trading is not it's not a good strategy. You glad you got in when you did? Oh, the lifetime. Oh yeah. You go pretty heavy and conservative. Yeah. Same here. I mean, people say that, well, why only do $20 per contract? I mean, for one, I see it consistently. So that's what IW gives you consistently when you're on the right side of it. So why not just take what it gives you all the time, right? And then if you want to do a trail, I mean, that's up to you. And just let it run, let it pay you as much as it wants to. 10 contracts, $200 risk. That's what it adds up to? 10, 20. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. I'm sorry. I didn't read the second part of it. Yep. After 50, drop to 10 plus every 2000. That makes sense. That makes sense. I like the thought. I do. I keep I keep all of it. Extreme high, value high, POC, value low, and extreme low. All of that is plotted on my monthly, weekly, and daily numbers. It's only going up. Oh, that's Russell. It's only going up in price. Yeah. Is there anything else before I head out of here? Good job, everyone. Worth every penny. Thank you. I appreciate that, David. I'm glad that what I'm really proud of is that a lot of you all are taking the time to learn it too. So that would be me if I was in this as in the Discord to see if I was following someone, that would be my thought as well, is to learn it. So eventually I can, do it on my own, teach other people. You know, instead of me giving you fish, you learn how to fish for yourself. Yep, see you tomorrow. All right, everyone. Great day, great start, and we'll catch you all tomorrow morning. Have a great one.